Hi guys, today we are going to find out one of the important parameter in the ratio analysis of the mutual fund. Ratio analysis is something that can actually give you help in deciding which fund in the given category of mutual funds is better to invest for the future investments. In ratio analysis, one of the most important ratio is the market capture ratio. Market capture ratio has two sides to it: up market capture ratio and down market capture ratio. Up market capture ratio denotes if the fund manager has the ability to perform in the bull market, then the up market capture ratio of that fund will be on the higher side, and that means the fund manager will generate better returns than the benchmark. A down market capture ratio, on the other hand, if it is lower, that means the fund manager is able to cushion the lower side or a downside of the market in the say bad condition of the market, which has been going on for last 1.5 years, or maybe during the Russia-Ukraine war when the markets are falling. If the down market capture ratio is lower for any particular fund, that means that fund will be able to insulate the fall in the mutual fund that you have invested into. So let us try to find out today in the large cap category which fund amongst the top 4 funds has done better in terms of up market and the down market capture ratio. We'll take the mutual fund schemes which have done best in last 5 years in terms of performance, and we'll try to find out which fund has actually given better up market capture ratio and better down market capture ratio at the same time. That will give us an idea whether the fund management was better for those funds and you should be relying on these kind of funds or not. So this is our favorite portal. We'll try to find out first which are these top 4 top quartile funds which have done very well in last 5 years. We'll select the large cap category here. Let's take direct. In last 5 years, as we can see, Nippon India, I think it's mentioned twice over here, Nippon India, ICICI, Invesco and HDFC has been the top quartile funds. They have given more or less more than 15% return in last 5 years. And this is CAGR. Let's try to put this in the context of our market capture ratio. Here you will see the advanced tool section. Go to market capture ratio and let us put these 4 funds to the test. Here we will be selecting 5 years, submit. So you can see here the CAGR returns are mentioned here, market capture ratio, and both up and down market capture ratio is there. If you see, specifically Nippon India Large Cap Fund has given the best up market capture ratio and best down market capture ratio, which is a reason this has been the leader in the category, if you see the returns also. So this is something that you should be looking at if for example you are today in 2026 February doing investment in large cap specifically, this is something that you should not be missing. We can do this analysis for multiple other category of scheme, multiple other mutual fund schemes, and try to come up with the solution at the end. Follow Arthniti for more such analysis videos, and we'll keep on coming up with such unique idea of analysis. Thank you.